Nice song.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy.
I've just walked towards here and I found it. Thank you. So it's basically a right turn on here, but the name was written on there. You see that white bit underneath, so that's why I couldn't. So now I need to take the turn. Come on, go, go. Because I will not be able to take the turn. So I just need to go like this. One second. Go like this. Okay, dog, darling. Everyone, when they see me with this camera on the head, they looking very, very funny. It's like they never seen someone with the camera on top. So literally the name was written on that plate, so I was not able to see it because it was on the back of it. Yeah, so now to go to this place and deliver that stuff. Right. Thank you. Let's see where they want this plank. Notice building materials, please be careful, 5 miles an hour. Right, mate?
Stop.
Yeah?
I'll just get him to check it because there's a lot of scraps in it, and last one they sent, they wouldn't take it.
See, is the right thing?
Oh, it's right.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
These scraps last time he wouldn't take it,
Wow.
the customer. So before you unstrap your straps, I'll let our manager check it.
Yeah, no problem. It seems like everything is like that, so yeah.
Well, it didn't my decision. So.
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Yeah, it's alright, is that it? Yeah.
It's okay? Yeah,
That's all right.
I'll just unstrap that and... Okay. Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
Can I have a signature, please? Is that okay? So if you want to double check, it's only this plank, yeah?
Yeah.
Just your yeah, signature and to print your name. Thank you very much. Oh. Yeah, just to hand you the copy.
There you go,
Thank you
mate.
very much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Spinfield Road. Murray Road. So is this turn on in? Walker and Timber Fencing Center. That's it. That's the place I'm looking for. Let's see how they want it. It's looking like really narrow on here. Right, mate? So let's see what we do. 569. 569, the top one. 569. So this one, and I think that's it. So it's only two of them.
Ah, yes.
Let me check the other side as well. 1 second. 569, 569, 569, 869, 569. Yeah, mate. Sorry. So is that top one and this one? Yeah. You need me to back it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Okay, mate. So let's do this. Where is the paper? You found it. Cheers. Five, 6, 9. Oops, sorry, mate. Yeah, passion. He's leaning in one side. Yeah. Perfect. Nice and easy. Just missed little bit of the top. Okay. Okay. Right, mate? All good? Thanks a lot, sir.
No problem.
Have a lovely day, yeah?
Okay, you too.